Servus and hello everybody. This time I'm using my English artificial voice to report about my motorcycle trip to Slovakia in 2020. The tour was about 2,500 kilometers in only 5 days. In this video you find a comprehensive cut of my first driving day from Kirchdorf im Wald to Piešťany in Slovakia. I hope you enjoy and more after the short intro. The route first takes me through the national park Bavarian Forest to the Czech border at Philippsreuth, which is one of the coldest spots in Germany. From there I drove along the Czech-Austrian border. In the background you can see the exhaust stacks of the nuclear power plant Temelín.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look on my ship brain.
A few kilometers more I passed Česká Kanada. It is well known for its many small lakes within a pretty forested area, and therefore is often compared to Canada. It is also a bicycle hotspot with a lot of beautiful and flat tracks. From here I always recommend a day trip to Tel, which is one of the most beautiful cities I've ever seen in Czech, beneath Hezký Krumlov.
I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you.
A short photo stop at the beautiful Castle Landstegen built in 1222. From here Austria is only a stone's throw away.
I'm the girl that they don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth.
30 kilometers eastward I stopped for lunch at Castle Bitov. Built around 1060. The castle and its small village are located at the Thaya River. On the river's opposite site you can visit the ruins of Castle Zornstein as well.
Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh.
After another short stop at Chateau Vranov nad Digi I was driving through the Czech part of the wine quarter. Finally, I left Moravia at the checkpoint La and der Thaya to Austria. Another 50 kilometers through beautiful vineyards and small villages along the thinly settled area I arrived at the Morava River.
I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I might let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
The Morava River divides Slovakia from Austria. I only took one shot with the camera of my mobile phone because the mosquitoes were so aggressive and bite me like 100 times. However, the meadow around there is one of the last untouched meadows in whole Europe. I guess it is somehow related with the Iron Curtain.
I know you like it, can't fight it. I might let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
Slovakia welcomed me with the first hills of the Little Carpathians after around 400 kilometer driving. I crossed the mountains with a maximum height of 700 meters easily and aimed for a small village called Malines. I took some photos from the Malines combined cycle power plant. The power plant was built 2010, including a little contribution from my side. I then left my first baby and had a short cycle around Bohunice nuclear power plant. After 463 kilometers I finally arrived at the camping ground in Piešťany. What a day.